In this clip, I'm going to be cutting and peeling the sweet potato. There's nearly 400 varieties of sweet potatoes, and they're great because they stabilize the blood sugars. They're high in antioxidants, and as well, they're high in carotenes, vitamin C, B6, and dietary fiber. A nice, sweet taste and texture. And again, they are a good vegetable to eat in the winter time. They're sweet and heavy, which combats the cold and dry of the winter months. So I'll be cutting the sweet potato about the same size as the squash. So I'll just start by cutting it in half and then just working with the halves. And when you're cutting it, you can cut the squash into several slices, and then from there dice it upward. That way when you're cooking it, it's cut in a nice uniform way and will cook more evenly.